Did you know you could potentially retire if you found one of the coins in this video? Well, it's definitely true. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 coins that sold for an incredible amount of money that could change your life forever. So without wasting any more time, let's hop into this video. Up first, we have a 1944S 1 cent coin that sold for $408,000. Holy cow. Now, when looking at this coin, a lot of people may be like, oh, I've seen one of those coins before, or I have one of those coins. Now, pay close attention because there's a good chance that you probably don't. And if you do, it might just be a fake coin, but I'm going to show you what to look for now. So essentially, this coin was graded by PCGS at a mint state 66. If you have a coin like this, you pretty much need to get it graded and authenticated by a company like PCGS or NGC, who is a third-party grading and authentication company. Next, this has a CAC sticker on it. So after you get your coin graded and it's a very valuable coin, you pretty much want to send it off to CAC and see if they give you the little sticker on the label. Now that sounds really silly, but CAC is a very well-known and trusted company in the coin collecting sphere, where if you get that sticker on your holder, it will dramatically increase the value. Essentially, when you send your coin in, you pay them a little bit of money and they consider if your coin looks nice for its grade in the holder, and if it does, they'll put the sticker on it. It seems silly, but it just is what it is. So the main reason why this coin sold for so much money is 1, the grade's very high, 2, it's got a CAC sticker, but the reason why is because this coin was accidentally struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet. What you need to know is that this was during the war efforts and they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet. Your 1944 penny should be bronze. It should not be on a zinc-coated steel planchet like this. If it is, you could have a coin worth a lot of money, because this one sold for $408,000. Just really quick, this coin sold for $6.6 million. If you find this in an attic or a garage sale or something, hold on to it, because you could have a coin worth a lot of money. But let's hop into the next coin. Now, I love 1932 quarters. These are essentially the first year they ever produced the Washington quarter. This one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 66. If you have a 1932 quarter and it's in really good condition, it could be worth a lot of money, just like this one that sold for $89,125. This coin sold for $504,000. Now, this one is pretty much the opposite of the first coin I showed you guys. This is a 1943S 1 cent coin struck on a bronze planchet. It also has the CAC sticker. Now, it graded by PCGS, a mint state 63. That's a little bit lower than normal, but that's still okay, because again, mainly because this is an error coin, it sold for $504,000. This coin just brought so much money. It sold for $840,000. I'm going to keep it very brief. If you look below the date there, you're going to see a mint mark. That D mint mark stands for where the coin is produced, at the Denver Mint. Another thing to take into factor is this coin graded 1 point higher than the previous coin, but also I'd say one of the bigger factors is simply when the coin is sold. Market conditions are huge when it comes to the value of your coin. If you sell at a market high, it's simply going to bring more money than if you sell at a market low. All these things combined with this coin allowed it to sell for $840,000. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. I'll see you inside.